The journey to success starts with one crucial step, that is changing your self-image. The way you see yourself determines what you can achieve in your life. If you want to build something great, that is a company, a brand, or a dream life, you first have to build yourself up by changing your self-image and creating a personality. Here's the truth. Your current self-image wasn't created by you alone. It was shaped by your environment, experiences, and past beliefs. But the person you want to become, that's entirely up to you. In reality, the cheat code of creating a new self-image doesn't provide you with the ability, talent, or any hidden power. It just reveals the one that is within you, being restrained and handcuffed under self-doubt, fear, and limited beliefs. You just have to unlock the potential by studying, visualizing, and taking actions in changing yourself for creating the life with abundance of income, great relationships, and health. So the question is, how does this connect to creating a company or a brand? Think about it. The company or the brand is the reflection of its founder. If you see yourself as an incapable, weak, or an average, that's exactly the kind of company you are going to create. One that lacks vision, confidence, and execution. But if you visualize yourself as a leader, a problem solver, and a person who can make things happen and is confident, you will naturally build a company that embodies those same qualities. Ultimately, success starts in the mind. Entrepreneurs who change their self-image and personality from just an employee to a visionary leader begin taking different actions. They network differently, handle failures better, take smarter risks, and persist when others quit. As Maxwell Maltz explained in his book Psycho-Cybernetics, which says self-image shapes success in all aspects of life. Likewise, building a company or a dream life, it's not just about strategies or business plan, it's about belief. The stronger you believe in creating yourself, the stronger the foundation will be.